Hello everyone, welcome to the Geopolitics, your one-stop channel for news on international affairs and strategic issues in English. We are focused on UPSC GS Mains Paper 2, Political Science and IR optional, and all of you must have seen the rise of international affairs and strategic issues related questions in UPSC prelims. Apart from UPSC, we are also focused on defense exams, whether it is written examination of NDA, CDS or CAPF or their SSV interviews, group discussions, lecturate. So these videos can be relevant for those aspirants too. For all this, we provide relevant, to the point, knowledgeable, quality content with free PDF and PPT to help you in a quick revision. So please join the Geopolitics YouTube channel and our social media links. With that message, let's start our today's topic. Major car manufacturing company Hyundai in Pakistan has started supporting terrorism. Yesterday, Hyundai Pakistan social media handles posted this picture in which they were seen supporting so-called Pakistani propaganda Kashmir Solidarity Day. So what is this so-called Kashmir Solidarity Day? What is this Hyundai controversy? And all other aspects we will discuss in this video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel or you are first time viewer, please subscribe our channel, like the video and feel free to comment on it. Alright, hoping that you would have subscribed, let's first little bit discuss about Hyundai as a company. So Hyundai Motor is a South Korean automobile manufacturing company which was established in 1967. If we talk about India, then in India it was established in 1996 and its headquarters is in Tamil Nadu. Hyundai is second largest car manufacturer and largest car exporter of India. So it is a major automobile player in India as well as in global market. If we talk about the recent controversy, then yesterday Pakistan observed Kashmir Solidarity Day on 5th February. We will know about this propaganda day in later part of this video, but yesterday when Pakistan was celebrating Kashmir Solidarity Day, Pakistan Hyundai social media links posted this picture in which they were seen supporting the so-called Kashmir freedom struggle. In this post, Hyundai Pakistan wrote that we remember sacrifice of our Kashmiri brothers and we stand in support as they continue to struggle for freedom. Now you must know that companies tweeting on trending issues is nothing a new phenomena and there is nothing wrong in it. Many companies catch the moment on Indian Independence Day, Republic Day and any other occasion. But here in this tweet, without understanding the nuances and just by getting influenced by Pakistani propaganda, Hyundai Pakistan assumed that there is a freedom struggle going on in Kashmir. Beyond this, they stand together in solidarity with those so-called Kashmiri brothers. Hyundai must know that Kashmir is still a pending issue, and here if we see from Indian point of view, then it appears as if Hyundai is supporting terrorism, innocent killing of civilians by terrorists, and it has already assumed that Kashmir is not part of India. By choosing such controversial event in which Kashmir issue is still pending between India and Pakistan, it doesn't fit with the standards of a multinational brand like Hyundai. As this post appeared, Indian users started questioning Hyundai India and boycott Hyundai is now trending on Twitter. Hyundai hasn't responded on this issue yet. So this was the whole controversy regarding Hyundai Pakistan Kashmir Solidarity Day. Now lastly, if we see this propaganda campaign Kashmir Solidarity Day, so Kashmir Solidarity Day is an event by Pakistani government celebrated every year on 5th February. This was started in 1990 by Nawaz Sharif. The idea behind celebrating Kashmir Solidarity Day is to incite people of Jammu and Kashmir and foment troubles. On this day, Pakistanis observed public holiday and for symbolism, debate, discussions and programs are organized in Pakistan embassies across world, Pakistan news channels and other places. In short, Pakistan by such propaganda keep its people engaged with Kashmir issue. If we talk about its impact in Kashmir in India, then in past Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani used to celebrate this as an occasion. But removal of Article 370 and death of Gilani last year, there are today no such events in Kashmir. Yesterday, the valley was peaceful and it was just a usual normal day for common Kashmiris. If we talk about Pakistan, then in Pakistan, Senate passed a resolution and urged to India that it should reverse 5th August 2019 Article 370 removal step. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan again sold his false narratives on Kashmir issue. After getting snubbed from United Nations to European Union, OIC to SAARC, Pakistan by such events somehow trying to attempt to revive Kashmir struggle again. So to conclude, we can say that such propaganda events cannot change stance of India, and it would be better if Pakistan focuses more on creating an environment for talk and normal bilateral relation. On Hyundai issue, global brands should refrain themselves from meddling in such issues. Global experience tells us that it's not only hurt their brand values, but sometimes it can cause them long-term damages, especially when it's an issue like Kashmir where all politics, diplomacy and sentiments are involved. So hoping that you would have learned something. With that, it's wrap of this video.
You can get free PDF of this video at our Telegram channel Geopolitics YouTube and our Facebook group Geopolitics YouTube. If you like this video, please consider liking it. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will continue to bring quality content for you. We will meet in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.